Hey everyone! Today we're making the softest, chewiest, and most irresistible peanut butter cookies ever. The best part is, they're super easy to make. You're gonna love this one. So grab your mixing bowl and let's jump right in. Once the butter reaches room temperature, we add the peanut butter to the butter. Then we add the sugar to it, just to start building that sweet flavor. Next, we add the brown sugar right after. Now we start mixing everything together with a mixer. Begin on a low speed and gently blend the ingredients so the sugar, butter, and peanut butter melt into each other. Keep going until the mixture looks smooth, creamy, and fully combined. Once the ingredients are well combined, use a spatula to scrape down the sides of the bowl. We crack one egg and add it to the mixture. Then pour in some vanilla. Now we mix everything together again with the mixer. Blend on low to medium speed until the egg and vanilla are fully incorporated and the batter looks smooth and creamy. Once the ingredients are fully combined, we add the rolled oats to our mixture. Then we mix everything again until it's well combined and uniform. We add the baking powder to the flour. Next, we add the flour and baking powder mixture to our batter. Gently fold it in until everything is fully combined, making sure not to overmix so the cookies stay soft and tender. Once we reach the final texture and all the ingredients are well combined, the dough is ready to be placed on the baking tray. Using a scoop, we place the dough onto the baking tray, one portion at a time. This helps make evenly sized cookies that bake perfectly.
Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it.
Next, we sprinkle some chopped peanuts on top of the dough to give the cookies an extra crunchy texture.
But I don't know if that can erase all the past and the pettiness. A reflection of the emptiness, hilarious. You think you're worth my time, you're delirious, mysterious because you hide behind a fake exterior, inferior. You know I'll always.
Now we bake them in the oven at 170 degrees Celsius for 20 minutes until they're golden and cooked through. And now our cookies are ready. Look at these golden, soft, and chewy treats. Perfect for any sweet craving. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like, subscribe. See you next time!